Hi guys, welcome back. So today is a very special video because it's a collaboration with the fabulous Liz Guild. So as you can see, these are her nails that I have chosen to recreate in this video. So yeah, me and Liz decided that I asked her if she would do a collaboration with me, and of course, because she's fabulous, she said yes. So we've wanted to do this for a good few weeks now. I'd probably actually say months, but we've just both not really got round to doing it. But anyway, we're here now. So yeah, so her set is absolutely stunning, and it's a couple months old now. She did do a YouTube video on it, and I will leave that one in the description box so that you can go and check that out. So obviously I fell in love with that as soon as I saw it, and I knew straight away that that was the one that I was going to recreate. I believe she's also chosen a design, one of my designs, to recreate, so I'm excited to see what she's done there. So yeah, let's get back to the actual video. So this is a CJP colour, I can't remember which one actually, Snapdragon. CJP Snapdragon, and I'm doing a full nail of this. Yeah, so full nail of this colour. I do in a minute, once I finish this nail, adjust my light because it kept knocking me on the head, so when I switch to the nail it cuts out, so just watch out for that. Here I'm just going in and adding little bits of product where I've missed that side of the nail. And this nail is going to be a marble. So I'm using that Snapdragon again, and I'm just placing a little bead at the cuticle area and then blending that out down the left side, and then I'm going to come in with the dark blue colour towards the right side, and then that will start off my marble then. The blue is CJP Sapphire. So I'm just placing a little bead, and then I'm just loosely swiping that down, making sure the cuticle is nice and neat. And then I go in with Snapdragon, Sapphire, oh no, this is Snowdrops White from GLITTERBELS, and then that Sapphire again. And I'm using them beads quite wet, not too wet though, because if you use them too wet they do kind of bleed into each other, and then they drop off the sides, and it ends up looking a bit more like toothpaste. So you've kind of got to just get them wet but not too wet, and then quick swirl with your brush. There's no real right way to this. Just give your brush a little swirl through them colours, and then when you see it start to looking right, stop. So there you go again, and then I'm just using my brush to manipulate that product into the areas without any colour. And then I do go in and patch up some little areas with the colour. And I'm using these colours as design powders. They are all strength powders, but I'm going in and capping all of these nails. And then I think I do just come in with one last, one last bead to sort out that big red bit at the cuticle area. I wasn't really keen on that, so I just come in with the 3 colours again, very small though this time. and onto the index finger. So I do a thin wash of the blue sapphire. I literally just want the cuticle area to be nice and flush and have that colour there. The rest of the product didn't matter, I don't need that. And then I come in with a gorgeous glitter. I can't actually remember the name of it, which is really bad, but my tutor who taught me nails, she is bringing out glitters and some other things. I don't know if I can say or not, but this is one of her glitters, and the range is Divine glitters, so I thought I'd just use that in this set. And it's like totally gorgeous, like look at that. And then towards the tip I come in with CJP Jazzberry, I think. So it's a premix glitter. I'm sure it's Jazzberry. And then I just blend that up a little bit, and then I dip my wet brush into the glitters, and then place them along that join line just so that they blend really nicely. So this nail on Liz's set, she used, I believe it was Sapphire and Electric Blue, and then she used this Jazzberry, and it was so nice, but I didn't have the same. I didn't have any of the colours. In fact, I only had the Sapphire that she used in this set. But yeah, I tried to copy as much as I could. And then this little finger, Liz actually did a set a couple of weeks ago, I think, where she did, it was kind of like the dot camo nail design. And obviously because these were inspired by her, I thought, well, I've never done it before, so I thought I'd incorporate that into this design. So the first couple of beads, I'm not sure really how wet or dry they need to be, so I'm testing the waters here, and they are a little bit too dry, and I didn't really know how to do the pattern, but I do remember in Liz's video that she said to try and keep the colours away from each other. So I did mess up a tiny bit, because I think I put two of the Jazzberry colours together, but you know, you could hardly notice it by the time it was finished anyway. So yeah, and then as I start getting used to what I'm doing, I don't even know what I was going to say. Yeah, as I start getting used to what I'm doing, the beads do get a little bit wetter, so they do bump to each other. So they don't run into each other, but they bump up next to each other, and it does give a really nice effect. So it does look nice at the end. Anyway, I'm just going to let you watch this nail for now. So I figured I'd jump back on and have a little ramble with you, just to talk about the fact that Liz actually did a video with me. I am totally excited, and I can't actually believe that we've done it, because I know that it was a while ago that she agreed to do it with me, but you know, I think until it actually happens, you don't really know the feeling. So yeah, I'm totally excited. And she's so nice, like she really is so nice, really lovely and understanding, and just like dead down to earth. And obviously she's an inspiration to lots of people, and she's been one of my biggest for a long time. But once you get to know the person, I just think it makes it that whole much, I don't know, it just makes it seem so much nicer to know that the person behind, you know, these fabulous videos is actually really lovely. So yeah, I just thought I'd say that. So yeah, there's that nail finished. Like I said, you can't really see the mix-up, but yeah, I like them. So yeah, I've gone in and capped, and then I have filed. So this is just a little clip of me showing you my gorgeous crystals. They are from BLUESTEAK crystals. I do have a code for them. I will list it below. So I'm going in with, I think this is actually CJP Gripper Glue. I do normally use GLITTERBELS Dip Base Essentials, I think the name is. I do normally use that, but I've run out. So I'm just going in with a blue crystal, I'm not sure of the name. And then I'm going in with these Burgundy crystals, which I got the other day. They're so nice. And then I do, on either side of the Burgundy crystals, come in with probably an SS5, I reckon. AB crystal. Yep, there you go. My little pencil crystal picker-upper thing is from BLUESTEAK crystals too. I actually really love it. I've got one of those ones where you can change the head and then the middle part of it looks like it's full of crystals. I've got one of them, but I didn't actually realise how chunky it was to work with until I got this one, because it's proper skinny and it's really easy to use. Anyway, top coat time. So look at them glitters. I literally love these. So once I've done all of the top coating, well, I do these 3 fingers first just to let that glue set a bit, and then I cure my lamp for 60 seconds, and then I top coat the ring finger with the crystals on, and then cure that for 60 seconds. And then I add cuticle oil. I know it's only a fake hand, but it just makes the nails look really, really nice. And it kind of brings the skin on the hands back to life, because, you know, it will have tiny bits of dust in the creases and that. So it makes it look realistic again. So yeah, and then that will be the end of the video. So yeah, I really hope you like this video, and I can't wait to see Liz's video. So yeah, I will leave her channel, the link, well, when it comes out, I will leave the link to her video, and any promotional codes that I've got I will leave below as well. So thank you so much for watching, and Liz, if you watch this, I love you, thank you so much. That's it, thank you very much. If you want to see more videos, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. And yeah, see you later. Bye.